If you've lost access to your Ferdi account and cannot use your email, don't worry. Follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the Ferdi login page. Go to the Ferdi website and navigate to the login page where you typically enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, look for alternative recovery options provided by Ferdi. This may include answering security questions or using a linked phone number. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the instructions provided for the recovery method you selected. This may involve verifying your identity through a code sent to your phone or answering security questions. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Ferdi account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ferdi support for further assistance.